culturally, we as people of color aren't prepared for the sort of rough and tumble nature of corporate America. We are typically, I'm generalizing now, but we're typically raised to be extremely polite, to wait our turn, to ask for permission.
Sure.
And all of those things, while endearing culturally, don't necessarily play well for us in the corporate arena. And so the balance or the tension that we typically have is how to continue to maintain the integrity of those attributes,
right,
while understanding that we have to be tough and at the same time not feel like we're compromising ourselves.
Yeah.
And many of us struggle with that.
You know, it's so funny. It reminds me of a story. So I don't know if you remember this. I think it was 2004 or so. I was running HRSD for HR service delivery for JP Morgan Chase. And I was sure in my mind I was going to get promoted to senior vice president that year. And I got the call, and I got my new salary number, my new bonus number.
I remember you calling
me. And I was waiting for the next thing to be, and you're promoted.
Right.
And the person said, I got to go, got to make the next call. And I was like, whoa, wait, what happened? And she's like, oh, no, you didn't get it. And I remember I was not in a good place. It was like the room went dark, right? Yes. And fortunately, I could call you and Claude. And then it wasn't too long after that, there was an event in Delaware, so you two both came down.
Yes.
And I picked you up at the train station.
Yes.
And you got in the car, and then Claude got in the car. He was in a bad mood. Something that happened that day, right? And then, so I wanted to go into my thing, and you both were like, okay, here is the deal.
Oh, my gosh.
So, okay, all right, James, here's the deal. You delivered the numbers, you did this and that, but this, and to the point you just made about how we carry ourselves and what's necessary to do that feels, quite frankly, abnormal to the way we were raised in some cases. You both laid it out for me like, this is what you're going to have to do, okay, if you want it.
I remember getting in the car. Now that you're telling that story, I can actually see in my mind's eye us getting in the car. And I don't remember the tongue lashing, the words of the tongue lashing, but I remember the experience. And what a privilege it is to have people that you trust be able to tell you that kind of truth.